Hey friends and fam, welcome back to the Calix family channel. Today, Mateo's going to be joining us. And guess what guys, he's almost 4 months. He doesn't fit into his newborn cloth diapers anymore. Thank you to our friends and neighbors who got these for us. Now he fits into his big ones. And can we show them your new diapers, puppy? Look at those. Aw, looks good on his skin tone. Yeah. So he'll be hanging out with us for this video. So as I promised, I was going to make a how to make your own Moby at home video. And so this is what it's going to look like. This is my blue one that I wear to take Mateo out. And I'm going to show you guys how to make one for yourself. Alright, so you might be wondering how in the world do you wear this? It's super long, but you fold it in half hot dog style. Then you grab the piece where you sewed this little section, this little piece, and that's why I put it, because when I'm in a hurry, I don't want to find it. I go crazy. So you start off by putting it on your stomach, then turn around, that way you guys can see. I cross the hands this way, and then bring both to the side and bring it over your back. Then fix your shirt, because sometimes it rides up. Fix your hair. And here you want to make sure that you go all the way on the sides, that way you have a lot of support. Grab the long pieces and put it down the center, just like that. So here's where you pull in case you want to, just make sure that it's snug so you have that support. Now these two pieces, you cross them over. Oh, bless you. You cross these over like that. You bring this across. You can just tie it off here, or if it fits all the way around, I like to bring it this way and tie it in the front. So that's it. That's how you wear it. So I'm actually going to put Mateo in, and you're going to put their first leg, the one closest to you, which would be this one. This leg, then this leg. Okay? Come here, Mateo. All right. Say hi. 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 Okay, we're gonna put this leg in here, just like that, and make sure this goes all the way behind his shoulder for support. Then the next leg. Good job, Mateo. That. Make sure their legs are good. Then you bring this little pouch, tuck both of their feet in, and make sure this goes all the way. Oh, he just threw up. Make sure that you put this all the way up and that his legs are good. And that's it. Ta-da! And you can actually put their head inside if they fall asleep. But this kid, he likes to have his head out. And that's all. That's how you would wear it. Alright, so what you will need is fabric, and I actually use jersey knit fabric, which is amazing because it does not what is that word, unravel? I can't remember, but basically when you cut it, it doesn't fray. That's the word. It does not fray, so you can wash it, throw it in the wash, and you don't have to worry about it. So you're going to need 5 yards, and this is actually for a friend. She's pregnant, she's almost due, and I'm so excited to give it to her. So you're gonna need 5 yards of it. It's really, really long, but out of the 5 yards, you can actually make 2 Mobies. So keep one, give one to a friend, and it's so worth it, guys, because one Moby is like $60, and this 5 yards, which makes 2 Mobies, it was like $20-some because the fabric was on sale. So you get each for $10, which is ridiculous. And the greatest thing is you don't need to know how to sew. That part of the video is actually going to be optional. So you're going to need your fabric scissors, and like I said, optional. I'm going to insert a little part in the section so that you're able to find the middle part so you can wear it faster. But you don't have to add that if you don't want to. This is a one you can actually get at the dollar store. I'm actually going to use a white one, but you can find these easy for 50 cents at the dollar store. So that's all you're going to need for the video. Alright, so Mateo actually kicked me out of his room because he's gonna take a nap. So we're out in the living room. So this is the fabric. It goes so long. It's literally taller than me. And that's why you're gonna cut it long ways. Right down this middle. Like a hot dog. All the way from the beginning to the end. Alright, so it's super long. It goes all the way to our kitchen. I'm actually gonna keep it holding like this and cut it right down through the top. Except I can't record and do it. Alright, so we cut it. Ta-da! It's now 2. So now you have 2 Mobies. So, there they are. Our next step is actually going to be measuring it and finding the middle section. So make sure these match. Alright, I found the middle section and I'm going to fold it in half. So there you have it, you have your Mobi. Now if you want to take the extra step in sewing the middle stitch part so that you're able to find the middle section, we're going to do that next. You're basically going to grab your fabric and cut a little tiny square, or if you don't want to do that, if you know how to sew in a button or put a safety pin, it's just to be able to find the middle part when you're doing and wrapping the Mobi. So I'm actually going to cut a white piece and sew it right onto here. So this is what it's going to look like. It doesn't have to be perfect. It's really just to help you know where the middle section is. So here we're going to grab our fabric and just cut a rectangle, a square, whatever you want to do. I usually just do a rectangle. You can do it thinner. This is really just preference. So this is where like the companies put their logo, Mobi, whatever. This is just going to be yours. So you're gonna find the middle section like I said, and that's where you're going to put it. Usually when you get fabric, it has this little ending. You can cut it off. I really don't care because it doesn't show. You want to put it on this side because this is gonna be on the back of the baby. That's where everybody's going to be looking at. So you just unfold it, place this on top, and this is where you're gonna sew it. It doesn't really matter where as long as you're able to see it. So I'm gonna sew it about right there. Alright guys, so this is the final project. I would show you with Mateo, but he's napping. So this is little Teddy. And also I don't want to get it dirty because Mateo throws up like crazy, and this is a gift for a friend. She actually asked for a gender neutral color, so this was it. And since I already have 2, we're gonna do a giveaway. So if you guys want to enter this giveaway, here are the rules. 1, first share this video with someone you know or on your Facebook page. 2, if you haven't yet, subscribe to our channel. And 3, comment below the word giveaway with your email address, and that way we can enter you into the contest. Hector and I will pick one. So the first 5 people to do that, Hector and I will pick randomly, and you guys will get a free Mobi. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. We'll see you guys next time. We love you, and we'll see you then.